Do you know where Dad is? Who's this guy? It's 12:30. Dad! Hey, Dad.
Hello.
Where are you?
Hi, Ricky. I'm at the birthday party right now.
Okay. All right. Well, have fun.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, so it's summertime. I was gonna make a cocktail for my dad, but it looks like it's gonna be a party for one. So I'm gonna make myself a cocktail. I'm gonna start off with some summer ingredients. I've got fresh basil from my garden. I've got a lime. Be careful, guys. Knives are sharp. Add 1 cane sugar into there. A squeeze of lime juice. I'm gonna add some sprigs of basil, and then I'm going to add some peach juice. I'm just gonna add a splash right now. Be very gentle. Add about 2 ounces of gin. And take our peach juice. Guys, crushed or cubed? Crushed it is. Should I crush or cubed? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Should I do crushed or cubed? I'm gonna do cubed. Now crushed. Yeah. I've got some beautiful peaches from Ontario, and you know, local ingredients, fresh. I'm gonna cut this bad boy around the pit. That, oh yeah, look at that. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add these right into there, and they're gonna float nicely. Mixer upper. Thing of beauty. All right, let's give this a nice mix. Add a little garnish. There you have it, guys. Nice peach gin fizzy cocktail for my dad. He's not here, so I'm just gonna enjoy this myself. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's so good.